This is Anne, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Outlook email, Hotmail. So you just open your Google and you can type Hotmail or Outlook, no problem. Then you can press any one of these that you see here, sign in or Outlook or the first one. I will just click on Outlook. Then you can see create free account. Just click that. Okay. Now you can choose. You want to have your name, for example, Jessica 2025 at outlook.com or Hotmail. All my emails I have Hotmail. I will do Hotmail today, but you can click any one of these. Okay, I will click Hotmail. So let me see if it's available in dot L B S B 2025. This is the same I made in Gmail. Let's see if it's available. Oh, it's available. Good. So I can have this email also. So I'll put password. You just create a password and then you put your country. Uh, put your date of birth. Put your name. Should I give my surname? And Frank. Let's prove you're human. Okay. Press and hold the button. These are some security verification you have to follow. Okay. Sign in faster with your face, fingerprint or PIN. I don't want that now. If you want to just click next, but we'll just skip for now. Okay, skip for now. I don't know why it's so slow. Okay, congratulations, we create our email. So you can just follow these steps, very simple and easy, and you have your Hotmail account. And then if you want, later on I will make another video of how to send emails and how to find yourself in the inside the email. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a good day.